don't even see you. I just hear laughing. There you are. Where's Kivrin? Where's Kivrin?
She's gonna go and hide. It's like playing hide and seek.
I found you! I got you! I got you! Are you singing? Or are you making your own music? Are you gonna dance?
Kivrin, what are you doing?
Whoa!
Can you open the pantry?
What's in there? Uh-oh. Shut it again. Open it again. You seem pleased with yourself.
Closed. Open.
Open.
And it's stuck open.
Huh? It's
Little
open.
help, Mama. Little help.
Closed. Okay. I'm gonna help. Open. Is that pretty great? Wanna go outside? Okay. Are you talking to your dolly?
There she goes.
What are you saying? Do you like bubbles? Do you want more?
They just float around. Fall on the ground. Whoosh. Oh, you almost got that one.
Would you like to do it? It's for big girls. You want to be a big girl? Mom will hold it and you hold a stick. Ready? You're doing it! You want me to do it some more? You want to do it? Yay!
You're an expert at that.
You're an expert. You want to do it some more? Try it. You did it!
That's pretty good.
Try again. You want me to do it? You want to do it?